Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata. Bhagavad Gita 4.7. Whenever righteousness declines, Arjuna, a divine force emerges to restore balance. But here's a question that haunts every student, every dreamer, every exhausted soul in 2025. Why do you wake up tired even after sleeping 8 hours? Why does your mind feel heavy before you've even begun your day? The Bhagavad Gita calls this tamasic fatigue, a deep, soul-level exhaustion that no coffee can fix. It's not just your body, it's your prana, your life force, leaking through cracks in your focus, your discipline, your purpose. 5,000 years ago, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Krishna didn't just teach Arjuna how to fight, he gave him the ultimate energy restoration protocol. And today, we're adapting it for you. Let me guess, you've tried everything. Time management apps, cold showers, Pomodoro timers, but by 3 p.m., you're back in bed, mindlessly scrolling, wondering where your day went. Here's the hard truth. Your fatigue isn't from doing too much, it's from thinking too much. Every time you procrastinate, I'll study after one more video. Every time you replay an awkward conversation, why did I say that? Every time you anxiously check your phone, did they reply? You're not just wasting time, you're hemorrhaging energy. The Gita calls this karma without yoga, action without alignment. And Krishna's solution isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. With the wisdom of Yogastha Kuru Karmani 248, established in equanimity, perform action. The Gita's 3-layer energy blueprint. Layer 1, the body, your physical prana. Krishna starts with the basics. Shariram yat avapnoti yat chapi utkramati shvaraha. The body is a vehicle for the soul. Even the best GPS won't help. Most students think energy means caffeine or sugar. The Gita disagrees. The Sattvic diet, Ayuhu Sattva Balarogya Sukha Priti Vivardhana, foods that increase lifespan, strength, and joy. Think of almonds over energy drinks, warm milk over cold soda. Breath equals prana. Ever notice how you hold your breath when stressed? Try Nishchala Asana, just 2 minutes of sitting still, eyes closed, just watching. This isn't biohacking, it's prana management. Layer 2, the mind, the battlefield of focus. Here's where Krishna gets radical. Dhyana Yoga. Not meditation in a cave, but one-pointed focus in daily life. The river metaphor. Udara Sarita Hiva. A river never stops to ask, am I flowing right? It just moves. Your mind? It's a debate club. Should I study? But what if I fail? Maybe I'll check Instagram first. That indecision drains you more than the work. The flow state equals yoga. Modern science calls it flow, when a gamer forgets to eat or a writer loses track of time. Krishna called it yogastha, being established in action. No guilt, no overthinking. Like Arjuna's arrow, once released, it doesn't wobble. Layer 3, the soul, the source of infinite energy. This is the game changer. Krishna tells Arjuna, I am the energy in the sun, the moon, and in you. Fatigue vanishes when you realize you're not the thinker, you're the observer behind the thoughts. The tamas trap. Hitting snooze. Rewatching shows you don't enjoy. This isn't rest. It's energy debt. Sattva equals sustainable fuel. Clarity-driven action. Ever notice how a 20-minute walk energizes you more than 2 hours of zombie scrolling? That's Sattva. 5 steps to reclaim your energy. Step 1. The Dharma alarm. Before bed, set one non-negotiable task for tomorrow. Not a to-do list, a must-do, aligned with your Dharma, studying, creating, serving. When you wake up, do it within 30 minutes. Krishna's rule, karmanyeva adhikaraste. You control effort, not outcomes. Starting first equals fewer mental leaks. Step 2, the 90-minute yagna. Vedic rituals, yagna, were timed precisely. Borrow this, work in 90-minute blocks, science's ultradian rhythm. Phone on airplane mode. Tell yourself, for these 90 minutes, I am Arjuna. My bow is my focus. Then, reward yourself guilt-free. Yes, meme time. Step 3, the prana scam break. Every 2 hours, ask, where is my energy going? Physical, shoulders tense, stretch like a warrior, no yoga poses. Mental, overthinking, write the worry down and literally offer it to Krishna. Emotional, anxious, hum Om Namo Bhagavate 3 times. Instant reset. Step 4, the evening prasad reflection. Before sleep, journal. Where did I act from fear today? Example, procrastinating to avoid failure. Where did I act from dharma? Example, studying despite boredom. This is prasad, offering your awareness. You'll start spotting leaks, spend 40 minutes debating the gym, and reroute energy. Step 5, the Sakshi sleep ritual. As you lie down, practice I am the witness. I am not the tired student. I am the awareness behind the tiredness. I am not the procrastinator. I am the space between thoughts. This dissolves fatigue at its root. Tonight, as you close your eyes, hear this. You are not the exhaustion. You are the tejas, the radiance Krishna speaks of. The same energy that moves galaxies flows through you. Comment Shanti if this reframe brought you peace. And for the first 100 commenters, reply Dharma Alarm. I'll send you a free 1-page Gita Energy cheat sheet. Until next time, remember, Nahi kalyanakrit kashchit durgatim tatagachati. No one who strives for light is ever lost. Now go, realign, and let your inner sun blaze.